भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon or good evening whenever you are watching this video. So last we have done with the I guess chapter number 7, wall and part decimal. Okay, so related to that I have given you homework also, extra questions that you have to do in your rough not fair notebook, right? Okay, so today we are going to do chapter number 5, factor and multiple. Okay, so I guess you have idea about what is the factor and multiple. So in this you just have to remember the tables. That's it. That's the main objective for to learn this chapter. You just have to remember all the tables. Limited to, you can say that 1 to 20, at least 1 to 20 तक के tables आपको अगर याद रहेंगे, then it would be easy for you to learn this chapter, right? So what is the chapter in the some under another term, then so that we can say that it is any kind of numbers which from which we can divide that number without remainder, right? Understood? Okay, so let's start the chapter. Chapter number 5, factors and multiples. Okay, so we are starting with the basic examples. We are finding the factors first and kind of all the special types of points that we can call. Okay, so simply how can we find a factor of any numbers? We just have to look out for that numbers, that pair of numbers जिसका अगर हम multiplication करेंगे तो हमें हमारा number मिलेगा. Say for example, if we are talking about the, let's say first हम factor find कर रहे हैं, let's say 12, तो 12 के factor हमें कैसे मिलेंगे? So हमें क्या find करना है कि हमें ये find करना है कि ऐसे कौन से दो number का multiplication करेंगे तो हमें 12 मिलेगा. So first one we can call as 1 multiplied by 12, right? Second, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. That's it. We got the factor. Then, so we can write the factor of 12 now as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these all are the factor of 12. Understood? Okay, so now let's move on to the kind of higher numbers. Let's say 36. Same way we can find it. Let's make that way shorter. Okay, one thing you have to remember, there is at least two factor of any kind of number, at least two, except the one, which is 1, right? 1 जो होता है उसका सिर्फ एक ही फैक्टर होता है, which is 1, right? So 1 के अलावा जो है बाकी सारे नंबर के at least 2 factors तो हमें मिलेंगे ही, which is 1 and the number itself, right? वन मोर थिंग दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट कि कोई भी नंबर होगा उसका जो फैक्टर है वो उस नंबर से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता। दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर हमने इसके 12 के फैक्टर फाइंड किए, इसमें एक भी नंबर ऐसा नहीं है या फिर एक डिजिट ऐसा नहीं है जो 12 से ज़्यादा है। सो दैट थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट फैक्टर आइदर वो इक्वल नंबर मिलेगा हमें या फिर उससे लेस मिलेगा। देन लेट्स फाइंड दिस वन आल्सो 18 right 218 3 12 4 9 5 we don't have 6 that's it I guess. Yeah, okay. That's about the factors. Now let's talk about some multiples. So as I said, मल्टीपल्स किसको बोलते हैं? जैसे मैंने इनिशियली आपको बताया कि अगर आपको टेबल्स आते हैं तो आपको ये चैप्टर बहुत ही इजी वे में आ जाता है। The multiple of a number is a number that leaves no remainder when divided by the number. So that means ऐसे numbers हम find करेंगे, at least you can say that कि it is just like that only, right? But ऐसे number हम find करेंगे जो उससे ज़्यादा वाले होंगे और अगर उसको हम previous number से divide करते हैं तो हमें कुछ remainder नहीं मिलेगा. It is just same as the factor only. बट फॉर द फैक्टर किस उसमें हम मल्टीपल करते थे एंड मल्टीपल व्हाट इज द मल्टीपल में हम डिवाइड मींस इट्स जस्ट अजम्पशन दैट वी हैव टू मेक दैट कि मल्टीपल किसको बोलते हैं? मल्टीपल ऑफ अ नंबर इज अ नंबर दैट लीव्स नो रिमाइंडर व्हेन डिवाइड बाय द नंबर. लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट. मल्टीपल ऑफ 8 वी आर फाइंडिंग राइट नाउ. In this one also there is one thing that you have to remember that factor और इसमें हमने क्या देखा था कि कोई भी नंबर होता है उसका फैक्टर्स उसमें हमें दो फैक्टर्स मिलेंगे, एक तो 1 और itself right except the 1. Next thing that we have seen that कि फैक्टर्स जो होता है वो आइदर वो नंबर होगा या फिर उससे लेस वाले नंबर मिलेंगे राइट, उससे ज़्यादा वाला नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. In the multiple we have to see one thing that कि multiple जो होगा यहाँ पर हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं so that means उससे लेस वाला डिजिट या फिर लेस वाला नंबर नहीं चलेगा. That means अगर 8 के मैं मल्टीपल फाइंड कर रहा हूँ तो यहाँ तो फर्स्ट वाला मल्टीपल जो है मुझे मिलेगा 8, that is the least multiple we can say that. बाकी सारे जो मल्टीपल इसके मुझे मिलेंगे वो सारे के सारे 8 से ज़्यादा ही होंगे. दैट इज द कंपल्सरी थिंग फॉर द मल्टीपल. एंड मल्टीपल वी नो अबाउट द मल्टीपल, इट्स जस्ट टेबल ऑफ दैट नंबर, दैट्स इट. विच एवर नंबर वी हैव इट्स जस्ट अ टेबल ऑफ दैट नंबर. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 3 जा 24, 4 जा 32, 5 are 40 and etc. One more thing in this one also it is there that there is no limit to the number of the multiple a number can have. That means इसमें हम infinite तक हम इसके multiple लिख सकते हैं because we just have to multiply only, right? Okay, so that is about the multiply. Now let's move to the next topic. Common multiple we are talking about now. Okay, let's say 24 let's first find the common factor. We haven't take that topic. We are taking simultaneously. We can common factor and common multiple. Let's talk about let's say 24 and yes, 18 and 24, right? And in this one, let's say talk about 15 and 25. Okay, let's find the common factor of this one. 18 के factors find करते हैं. 1, 18, 2, 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. That's it. 24 के factor find करते हैं. 1, 24. दो factors आपको पहले ही लिख लेने हैं. Then जो initial दो factor होते हैं वो. 2, 24, 3, 8, 4, 6. Done? Okay, so these are the common factor of it. Okay, so common factors में हमें मिलेगा 1, एक तो 1 मिलेगा obviously, 2 मिलेगा, we got the 3 and we got 6. Yes. इसके अलावा और कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं मिलेगा. So that means we got 4 कॉमन फैक्टर और इसमें से जो हाईएस्ट वाला कॉमन फैक्टर है जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, which is called HCF, that is 6. So that means इसका HCF क्या मिलेगा हमें, 6. Now let's talk about this. 15 के multiple, common multiple we are talking. So it's a 15, 30, 45, 60, 90, etc. etc. 25 multiple, 25, 50, 75, 100. इसमें हमें और ज़्यादा फाइंड करने पड़ेंगे. दैट मीन्स 105, 120, 135 and 150. Now in this one 100, then after 125 and 150. So we got one common multiple which is 150. After so many multiple we got one common multiple which is 150. इसमें आगे और भी मिलेंगे हमें, right? Let's take one more example for that common multiple so we'll get a better idea about it. Five and 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let's find the multiple of 15, 15, 30, 45, 60. That's it for right now. Okay, now let's find the common multiple. We got 15 in common, we got 30 in common, and later on we got 60 also in 45, 60 all we got in common. But in this one we got so many common multiples, so it is not possible to get the highest common multiple, right, in this one. So in this one we got the lowest, or we can say that least common multiple. which is called LCM, least common multiple, that is LCM is equals to 50. Okay, so with this common multiple and common factors, we clear out the topic LCM and HCF also, right? Let's move to the next topic of this chapter. Okay, it's been a hurry, I guess, somewhat, because this is a very old topic. This chapter maybe you guys have done in the TE1, right? So थोड़ा बहुत इसमें अभी फास्ट चल रहा होगा, but as you know about the, maybe you have less than 1 month for the exam, so we have to take fast all the things, right? Okay, next next is the test of divisibilities. So we are not talking that much about the test of divisibilities because I guess you have an idea about it. Next topic about what is the test of divisibility. It's just a assumption that you have to make that this number can be divided by that number or not. Say for example, if we are talking about the test of divisibility of 2, that means कोई भी number अगर हो हमारे पास, so without doing the division, can we divide that number with the 2? So उसमें सिर्फ हमें numbers को देखना रहेगा, then it's an easy way to find out कि वो division होगा कि नहीं without leaving the remainder, right? So 2 की divisibility टेस्ट क्या है? It's just that कि वंस डिजिट जो होता है कोई भी नंबर का, अगर वो इवन नंबर हो, then that number can be divided by 2, right? Then that number can be divided by 2. So that is the divisibility test of 2. Let's find it out how it can be. So 2 की divisibility टेस्ट क्या है? नंबर एंड विथ either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that's it. Then if the number is end with or the ones digit of the number is even number, so that number can be divided by 2. Let's talk about the divisibility test of the 3. So what is the divisibility test of 3? Sum of digit. If the sum of the digits of the number is dividable by the 3, then that number is divided by 3. Say for example 24. So 24, if we do like that, 2 plus 4 digit का addition करेंगे, 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So 6 is divided by 3. So that means 24 can be also divided by 3. Understood? Let's talk about 5. Same as in the 2 also. Number and with 0, 1, 5. And this one just 2. That means one digit अगर कोई number का 0 या 5 है, then that is that number can be divided by 5. 6 में हमें 2 डिजिटल टेस्ट यूज करनी पड़ेगी of 2 and 3. Then so test of 2 and 3. So that means if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number can be divided by 6. So it means that कि हमें कोई भी नंबर अगर हमारे पास है, so उसका डिजिट्स जो है वो वंस डिजिट, it should be even number and the addition of the digits should be divided by 3, then that number can be divided by 6. And next 9, it is the same as the 3 only, sum of digit. As we talk about the third for this divisibility of 3, same in the 9 also. Just a difference is कि इसमें वो 3 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए, इसमें डिजिट का एडिशन जो है वो 9 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए. And last one is the 10. It's just same as the 5. Number end with 0. Then that means once digit उसका क्या होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए. Okay, so this is the test of divisibility. Okay, now let's talk about the last topic of today, which is prime number and composite number. Okay, so what is the prime number and composite number? We have talked about the factors, right? Okay, so if there is a kind of number जो किसी से डिवाइड ना होता तो that means कि उसके सिर्फ मैंने आपको बोला कि फैक्टर्स उसके दो एटलीस्ट 2 फैक्टर तो मिलेंगे ही. एक that one number and second one is 1, right? So अगर कोई नंबर ऐसा हो जिसके सिर्फ 2 ही फैक्टर मिले जो मैंने बोले वो कि एक 1 एंड दूसरा वो द नंबर इटसेल्फ, सो दैट मीन्स उसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि इस 2 डिजिट्स के अलावा और कोई डिजिट्स से के साथ वो मीन्स इस 2 नंबर के अलावा और कोई नंबर उसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता है, राइट? सो दैट काइंड ऑफ नंबर इज कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? प्राइम नंबर बोलते हैं. रेस्ट ऑल द नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड अ कंपोजिट नंबर. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कंपोजिट नंबर बोलते हैं. नाउ there is another way to find the factor and multiple, which we call it a LCM and HCF, right? जिसको if we find by the prime number, so we can call it the prime factorization. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Prime factorization. So what is the prime factorization? It is just a way to find the LCM and HCF. Okay, let's find it out. We are just talking a discussion about it, that how we can find it, the factorization. So what is the prime factorization? The prime factorization is just a representation of that number in terms of prime number. उसके साथ साथ हमारा प्राइम नंबर का भी रिवीजन हो जाएगा. Let's find the factor of 24 that we have already find it out. Okay, so इसके फैक्टर्स हमें किस तरह से फाइंड कर सकते हैं? We have one method which is called हमारा जो ट्री वाला मेथड था वो, right? So that is by that we can find the factor of it, but all the factors we have to convert it in form of prime number. Let's say first यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं 2, 12. So 2 and 12. अभी यहाँ पर 2 is the prime number, so यहाँ पे हमें स्टॉप हो जाना है. 12. Convert the 12 into another. अभी 12 के और फैक्टर फाइंड करने हैं. 3, 4, राइट? 3 आ गया हमारा प्राइम नंबर, so यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो जाना है इसमें. 4 So it's a 2 and 2. Right? Might be you are not familiar with this method, so we are not talking about it. We just directly find it the way that we find. Just like a 2 and 12. Right? अभी 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 12, 2 को अभी हम लिख नहीं सकते, तो 12 को किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं? 4 3 जा 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई, अभी 4 को किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं? 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 and 3. Now this is our prime factorization. Done? Okay. So that's it for today from my side. Today we have done the lot of revision about chapter number 5, factor and multiple. By the prime factorization method we can also find the LCM and HCF from the same method that we have talked, right? Okay, so in the homework of today's you have to do page number 5 of the revision sheet on which you have seen the one kind of photograph things you have done. So उसमें आपको सेंटर में आपको अपना फोटोग्राफ लगाना है, रेज्ड आफ्टर दैट उसमें आपको बर्थ डेट और वो सब फॉर्म दिया है जो आपको फैक्टर्स के फॉर्म में लिखना है, आइदर फैक्टर और मल्टीपल उसके फॉर्म में आपको लिखना है. से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई से दैट कि माय एज, so it's a 24, so I can write as a 6 4s, right, or 6 4 multiplied by 4. So that's how you have to write it. Done? Okay, so that's it for today from my side, and do the preparation of the this chapter hardly. You can write the extra questions in the rough book as you want. From that I'll call you as a do all the examples of that chapter from the textbook in your F and B. Done? That's it for today from my side. Thank you everyone. Bye.